In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically shut down your Windows 11 PC or laptop at a specific time. It's actually really simple to set up, and all you need is the built-in task scheduler, no third-party software required. Start by heading over to your search bar and typing Task Scheduler. Open the application, and once the window loads up, look over to the right side of your screen under the Actions panel. From there, click on Create Basic Task. You'll be asked to give your task a name. Go ahead and type something like Auto Shutdown. Add a description if you want, and then move on to the next step. Next, it'll ask you when you want the task to run. You'll have options like daily, weekly, monthly, or one time. Choose whatever works best for your situation. If you just need it to shut down once, select one time and move forward. From there, you'll pick the exact date and time you want your computer to turn off. Set it to April 8th at 10 p.m. tonight and continue to the next page. On the Action screen, make sure Start a Program is selected. In the Program/Script field, type Shutdown. Once you've entered that, hit Finish. And that's all there is to it. Your PC will automatically shut down at 10 p.m. tonight, April 8th. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.